Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. I'm back with yet another Dreamcatcher tutorial but with a new and beautiful web. Let's begin the tutorial. I've already wrapped the ring with wool and it is ready for weaving. I have taken the same wool for weaving the web. As we always do, tie the end of the string to the hoop and secure it with a clear nail polish. We will make the basic Dreamcatcher knot all around the hoop. You can check my other videos on Dreamcatcher if you are very new to weaving a Dreamcatcher. You can find it in the I button on top there. It's quite simple. Hold the thread with one hand and pass the needle under the hoop. Try to keep equal space between the knots. In this way, go 2 rounds around the hoop. After completing 2 rounds of weaving, we will skip one loop and make knot catching the alternate loop. I'm leaving one loop and catching the next one. We will weave one round like this, and from next round we will make 2 knots on one line each. One, and 2. Repeating the same in next loop also. Here we are finished with one round. Now we will catch each loop and make knots. From here it will be like any other traditional weaving. Catch each loop till you reach the center. is all done, let's add tassels. I'm using the same wool for the tassels. I have added some sticky beads on the web. And here you are, a very new beautiful dream catcher. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, please like, comment and share the video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Enjoy your new dream catcher for your slumber. Until next time, bye-bye.